Oyo kabeera omuwaziri w'obulendi bw'eime Dr. Fred Matiang'i olwo kubuulya kw'obumo n'omurembe ase abarayi ba GESIASA.
Okwana Emisa y'okumusabira Nyagosira mugina Teresia homoke oyo oli mamu mwabo mu senate bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka niko bono omusike Matiang'i aerera buna omoyega oyo nigo obwendete korentamo abarayi bonsi na KOENEKIA omorembe igati igesaku ky'omugusi.
For the many of you leaders who are here from Kisii, circumstances such as this have brought all of us together. On Friday, when we go to lay Mama to rest, it will be an opportunity for us to demonstrate the maturity, the responsibility that is characteristic of all African communities. And to echo what Mzee Ngeri has said here, we have all been brought together regardless of where we come from in terms of our political thoughts and positioning by the sleeping of our mother here. So I look forward to a peaceful, respectful, decent send-off to this mama, and most importantly, an opportunity for us to start thinking hard about how we strengthen our togetherness as we move forward to build this country.